Be ready. Start. Another week with them in the little house in the little fishing town by the sea shore. Of course, the place was about as far away as it could be from where she lived, and it meant going without quite a few other things if May was to get the money together stop. But she had done it, and now in the depth of winter she walked down the road that led to the sea shore. She found that the blue sea of summer had changed, and the water was now almost without color stop. No ships were at rest out there, and that was just as well, from the sea no longer touched the land without sound stop. It threw itself with fearful force upon the stones and headlands, and the sound of its breaking would have overpowered any other sound had there been any storm. But there were no other sounds, for the town itself was resting still. Then could not fish in such weather as this, when the water threw itself up into the air as if trying to overcome the little town that made so much use of it, a town indeed that lived wholly upon what it took from those great waters. Stanza. Oh, May cried as she held her body hard against the forces of nature stop. Oh, how wonderful, how truly wonderful gone was the watercolor painting of the peaceful blue sea and the sweet little town, and in its place was this great oil painting, this masterpiece of the forces of water and land stop. She was watching the everlasting war between earth and water, that everlasting attempt of one to be the master of the other, an attempt that she hoped would never meet with success. Stanza. And she loved the sea and the land and the little town more than ever, and she would willingly have spent the rest of her life there by the fearful and the peaceful sea. Stanza. It was not often that Mr. Wells left his house for very many hours with no one in it stop. During the day, Miss Black was there for most of the time stop. Miss Black could not be called his housekeeper, as he himself kept watch on the stores and on the money spent stop. In fact, he bought most of the food, cleaning materials and so on his way home from the office, and merely passed them to Miss Black to put away stop. No, Miss Black could not be given the high-sounding name of housekeeper, but neither court she be called the woman who did for him so. She fell somewhere between these two high and low points. Stop. She was a daily help of full stop. Over.